don't buy the shoe. If you guys are looking into reselling and making money real quick, just let me buy them. You feel me? Just let me buy them. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and I'm back today with another video for y'all, man. So first and foremost, before we hop into the video, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like for your boy, leave a comment down there on what else you want to see on the channel, and anything else, man. Just join the team, you know, best team. We call it the Lin Dynasty. I think I'm gonna start jacking that once we hit like a good amount of subscribers, man. I'm gonna come out with the merch. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yo, we are here today with another unboxing and review. I apologize for not posting for a while. I have a lot of content that I still have to edit, but work, making money, you know, that it comes in the way of doing YouTube. So yeah, man, expect a lot more content to be dropping this week, because once I get into YouTube mode, I push out a bunch of videos and then I have it on go for you guys. All that aside, today we are back with another shoe review and unboxing, and it's the Fire Red Jordan 4s. So when the picture of the Fire Red 4s first surfaced on the internet this year, the red looked off. It looked like an infrared 4 from the infrared 6s that came out in like 2012. It was that pinkish bright red, you know what I'm saying? And I really did not like that pink or red on Jordans, like especially black and red Jordans. Like the contrast from going from black to red was just too bright. And as we're getting closer to the release date, the pictures releasing now are a lot better. The red is darker, and you know, today we're gonna unbox a pair, actually two pairs, because I hit on Nike's sneakers app for the first time in a while, man. Yo, if you guys take L's, man, let me know, like how long have you guys taken L's on that app? But for this one, they dropped it a month early. It was like a shock drop, early access or whatever, and I was able to pick up two pairs. I was able to pick up a men's size 9.5 and a kid's size 6. And yeah, we got the scissor with me, and let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so you guys know how Jordan brand comes with the box. Nike, it says has just do it tape on it, and let's get into it. Boom. 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 Boom, boom. Damn. Oh, this thing is huge. This box is huge, son. So we have the box, and just comparing it to the older boxes, like this box is humongous. This is a Cool Grade 4 box, size 9, and yo, just compare it. Like, it's huge. It's huge. You guys can see the difference. Jeez, it's like a whole inch bigger all around. Pause. But regular Jordan 4 box, the top has the Jumpman logo with the flight script written under it. On the side, this one is Nike Air, and then the top, you know, is black, and then the box comes with the cement print all around in gray, and then the bottom is just flat gray. As you guys can see, there's a size tag. It reads Air Jordan Retro 4, black, white, white, fire red, black, and tech gray. And the price on these retail was $200, which is pretty hefty, but that's the norm for sneakers nowadays. Like, finding a pair of shoes for $200 is like normal. Like, that's a good price. But classic Jordan 4s, you guys already know. Let's get into the unboxing. Boom. So when I was, I think, 13 years old, these shoes came out in 2012, and a lot of my friends in high school were able to get them. And it was a lot easier getting sneakers back then. You just have to go to the mall like 2 hours early, wait online. There wasn't no crazy madness like the Mocha Jordan 1s. Crazy. But hopping into the shoe box, it comes with the paper. It has a cement print, white with the gray cement print. And let's take a look at the shoe, man. Boom. So then under that cement print, it has another white piece of paper. They packaged this one crazy. And then boom, here we have the shoes. Damn, this shoe looks pretty clean, but this pair looks huge, man. This pair really looks huge. Why are Jordan 4s this big? Maybe this is a 9.5, but 9.5 compared to a size 9 should not be this big. But anyways, let's get into B-roll to give you guys a more in-depth look of the shoe. And then when we come back, I'll fully break down the shoe, give you guys sizing, resale prediction, and everything. So let's hop to the B-roll. Bam! jumping back from the B-roll, colorway, classic Jordans, man. And you guys know it's a classic, man. To start off, the orange Nike Air tag that comes with Jordan. All Jordan 4s come with this, and Jordan 3s. They usually come with a heavier plastic, but this pair, since it's OG, it comes with the thin, just plastic Nike Air. Then the colorway on top, most of the shoe is a white leather upper. The leather on these is cool, nothing too crazy. It's kind of like soft, but you know, not really tumble leather or anything. But I like the leather, man. I like the leather. I don't really like tumble leather on Jordan 4s. Followed by a black netting on the side panel on both sides. Followed by a black net mesh, whatever you want to call it, coming up to the white tongue with the red Jordan Jumpman and the flight script. Then the midsole is painted white and black, followed by the outsole coming around in a red. The sock lining is in the red colorway, followed by a red Nike Air. And then the eyelets on the shoe is a red with the black wings on the side. So sizing on Jordan 4s, I recommend going true to size. These do look cute, so you might have to size down half a size, but just go true to size on Jordan 4s. They fit all the same. Like, I still have white cement 4s in the stash. Size 9. This pair comes with white laces. I don't think it comes with an extra pair of laces, as 4s usually don't come with extra pair of laces. So just white laces on this shoe. The air bubble is gray, if you guys can see. As for comfort on Jordan 4s, it's pretty cool. Nothing too crazy. I feel like they're more comfortable than Jordan 3s because I like the toe box on these more than the wide toe box on Jordan 3s. But I'm kind of biased because Jordan 4s are my favorite shoes of all time, like favorite silhouette shoes. So I'm biased, man. Now, as for the style and fashion of Jordan 4s, well, I'm kind of biased because Jordan 4s are my favorite silhouette of Jordans and probably sneakers in general. That's just because it leads into the next point of being so stylish, man. You could rock these with anything, like anything. You could rock them with jeans and cargos. You could rock them with sweats. And they just look so freaking clean on foot. You could lace them up. You could leave them unlaced. And they just look so freaking clean, man. Like, it's just so clean, so fresh and so clean. But that covers basically everything. Let's give you guys an on-foot look, and we'll come back, wrap it up with my resale predictions and my final opinions. So let's jump into the on-foot look. So you guys saw how the shoes look on feet. They're fire. It's classics. Not my favorite Jordan 4, but you know, they're fire, man. Now, going into the resale of this shoe is going to be widely available, so all stores are going to get them, and they're probably not going to do well for the initial release. Like, there's going to be pairs sitting, people's going to be trying to move them because they're going to need money, you know what I'm saying? It's a Black Friday release, so it's going to be hectic to get the shoe just because so many people is going to be at malls Black Friday, you know what I'm saying? So it's going to be hectic to get the shoe, but it's a classic Jordan 4, so with time it's going to go up. But I've been telling you guys that Jordan 4s are on the comeback, and if you guys don't believe me, you know, just go check the recent Jordan 4s that came out. I see a lot of people starting to buy Jordan 4s, which is not like good for me because that's like, I won't be able to find good deals on them anymore. But it is what it is. That's just how it goes. But I've been telling people for a year now, Jordan 4 is going to be the next big thing. Just like how Jordan 1s became the huge thing. It's not going to get as big as Jordan 1s, but Jordan 4s are going to be one of the most hype shoes of 2021, in my opinion. And these are going to be going for retail for about a month. Don't buy this shoe if you guys are looking into reselling and making money real quick. Just let me buy them, you feel me? Just let me buy them. And once release comes on November 28th, just let me buy them. Deal? Deal. But yeah, as for my final opinions on this shoe, I've been saying it the whole video. It's a classic Jordan 4, and I'm a huge Jordan 4 fan. So if you put 2 and 2 together, yeah, man, yeah. Like, as you guys see, I still got the Bread 4s back there. Still haven't worn them, so I don't even know if I'm gonna wear these. Even though I am a fan of white sneakers, so I might just throw these on like a size 9. But I'm not a huge fan of red. Classic Jordans. They might be top 10 Jordan 4s, probably at the bottom tier, because I like cool grays over these, I like breads over these, I like militaries over these, I like white cements over these. So these might be more towards the bottom, but can't go wrong with a classic and can't go wrong with a clean pair of 4s. And that's the end of this video, guys. If you guys enjoy, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. You guys make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy. It's your boy ALin, and I'm out.